Having a hard time? Feeling like a lame duck? Trying to save a buck? Or just out of luck? You know what you need?
A good truck. It's just me and my fleet of trucks.
At Victor's Truck Company, we're here for all your moving needs. Got something a bit heavy?
Don't worry, I got it.
Never be stuck without a truck again.
It's a truck.
Just listen to testimonials.
We'll be there at 9 a.m. He was. He was ready to go.
Alright. I called up Victor to help me move this here couch. He did it without hesitation, and it's heavy as frick. You can trust me, I'm Chuck.
Oh.
I never heard of him. Is it affordable?
Of course it is. For one low price, Victor will help load the truck, drive the truck, and deliver your stuff safely in his truck. Victor's truck comes with a complete set of moving tools, including a full set of moving straps and